This is the part 5 of Attractor in Revit without using the Dynamo. In part 2 we've created an adaptive cylinder with a corner attractor. In part 3 we've created an adaptive cylinder with a centered attractor. In part 4 we've created an adaptive cylinder with a multiple attractor points. In today's tutorial we will make an adaptive cylinder with a line attractor. In just simple steps. Let's start. Open the adaptive cylinder corner attractor from our previous tutorial. Go to Family Types. Change the V-grid value to 1. Apply. OK. Next. Open a new family. And select Metric Generic Model Pattern Based. Open. Select Point Element. Pick at midpoint. Select these two reference points. Select Spline Through Points. Then check his reference line. Select these two reference points. Select Spline Through Points. Then check his reference line. Repeat the process. Next, go back to Adaptive Cylinder. Load into Project and close. Next, select these 4 reference lines. Then select Create Form. Select the surface. Select the surface. Select Divide Surface. Change the V-grid and U-grid number to 1. Go to Properties. And select the Adaptive Cylinder Corner Attractor. Change the component rotation to 90 degrees. Check Component Flip. Go to All Grid Rotation. And change the value to 180 degrees. Next. Select these 4 reference lines. Then select Create Form. Select the surface. Select the surface, then select the Divide Surface. Change the V-grid and U-grid number to 1. Go to Properties. And select the Adaptive Cylinder Corner Attractor. Go to All Grid Rotation. And change the value to 180 degrees. Select the pattern. Cylinder Finish. Associate Family Parameter. Then select New Parameter. Name it Cylinder Finish. OK. OK. Attractor Distance. Associate Family Parameter. Name it Attractor Distance. OK. OK. Attractor Divisor. Associate Family Parameter. Select New Parameter. Name it Attractor Divisor. OK. OK. Go to U-grid number. Associate Family Parameter. Name it U-grid. OK. OK. We will not associate the V-grid number to simulate a single line attractor. Repeat the process. Now let's test the parameters. Change the U-grid number to 15. Apply. Perfect. Change the attractor divisor value to 25. Apply. Perfect. OK. Uncheck Shared. Save the family. Name it Adaptive Cylinder Line Attractor. Save the family. Load into Project and close. Now let's test the pattern. Go to Level 1. Let's try to apply into the wall. Let's create a reference plane to host the family. Select reference plane. Let's add a name for the reference plane. Go to Section. Go to Massing and Site. First, let's turn on the Show Mass. Then select In Place Mass. Mass 1. OK. Select Set Work Plane. Then specify the name of work plane in the list. OK. Select Rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Select the rectangle. Then check his reference line. Then select Create Form. Select the surface. Select the surface. Press Tab to cycle the selection. Then select the Divide surface. Change the V-grid and U-grid number to 1. Go to Properties and select the Adaptive Cylinder Line Attractor. Go to All Grid Rotation and change the value to 90 degrees. Let's change the V-grid number to 30. Perfect. Go to 3D. Select the pattern. Let's try to change the V-grid number to 50. Perfect. Go to Edit Type. Let's try to change the U-grid number to 20. OK. Perfect. Finish the mass. Let's check. Select the pattern. Then select Edit in Place. Press Tab to cycle the selection. Select the pattern. Go to All Grid Rotation and change the value to 60 degrees. Perfect. Now we've created an adaptive cylinder with line attractor onto the wall. Finish the mass. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.